explain about climate change and carbon cycle.
Climate change. Climate change is a phenomenon when carbon changes some of the environment's shape. Climate change is very dangerous to people, but before discussing it, let's talk about how carbon cycle works.
Now, I will be discussing to all of you is carbon cycle. Now, what is carbon cycle? Well, I'll tell you. See, we all know about carbon dioxide, which we release out in our body. We are also called carbon-based life forms that's in our everyday lives. We always exert carbon. It is the most important and common element in the planet. So if you ask the cycle, well, actually, all living things are made of carbon. And also, it is where we get our energy from, but some of it are deadly. What you're looking at is the effects of carbon monoxide. Now, you're all familiar about carbon dioxide, but you haven't met monoxide for some of you. Now, monoxide is very dangerous and very deadly in our body. So some of those buildings will put smoke detectors to avoid it. But even avoiding it can't even help because it is in our atmosphere. It's in the cycle. Now, this is very bad for us and for in the environment. That's why it causes climate change. Now, even a small carbon can have a large impact. Now, back to you, Trisha.
Thank you for that explanation, and now let's go back in explaining climate change. This particular phenomenon is an issue since then because of the effects of it. Carbon monoxide and dioxide are dangerous when they are at large numbers. It can change land, air, or water structure, but not only change it, it can destroy of it. Deforestation. Sea level rise
Sea
because
level
of
rise.
glaciers melting and even ocean acidification. But it's not too late.
Really?
We can still avoid this by carbon budgeting.
Hello everybody, and I'm going to tell you about carbon budget. This is a way to lessen the carbon in our atmosphere. To lessen the possibilities of climate change in our planet, we need to do this and it is the only way we will survive and live.
So let's summarize. Now, climate change is a phenomenon where everything in nature changes because of invisible gas that we create in our planet. So we must stop these unlikely doings in order to save Mother Earth. So I ask you, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stop. It's time to stop just sitting there and watching our Earth dying. It's our time to change. It's never too late for a change. So please, help Mother Earth.
I'm Trisha Marie Castañares. I'm Cedric Alan Manubag.
I'm Robert James Parva.
And we are the grade 9 students of St. Joseph's School of the River.
Hope you like our video.
Bye!